Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up update firmware for Tesla charging hardware step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Tesla vehicle is parked in a well-lit area. Locate the charging hardware you wish to update. Check the power supply to ensure the charger is plugged in and receiving power. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate to the charging section of the app. Look for a notification indicating a firmware update is available. If an update is available, tap on the notification to start the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the firmware update. Make sure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi during the update. Confirm your selection to proceed with the update. Wait patiently as the firmware downloads and installs. Do not disconnect the charger or turn off your vehicle during this process. Once the update is complete, you will receive a notification in the app. After the update, verify that the charger is functioning properly. Check the charging settings and ensure everything is configured as desired. If you encounter any issues, consult the Tesla support website for troubleshooting tips. Your Tesla charging hardware should now be updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.